Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cryptocurrency Update Daily. Today's topic is the future of finance, exploring cryptocurrency trends and predictions. I have written 20 points, and the first point is mainstream adoptions. Cryptocurrencies are expected to see increased adoptions with more individuals and businesses incorporating them into their financial operations. Digital payments, cryptocurrency are likely to play a more significant role in everyday digital payment potentially, challenging traditional banking systems and central banking. Digital currencies are being explored by various central banks globally, which could reshape and financial landscape. DeFi and expansions. The decentralized finance applications will continue to grow, offering a range of financial services like lending, borrowing, and trading. Non-fungible tokens are expected to diversify beyond art and collectible, and with applications in real estate, gaming, and content creations. Regulations, governments and regulatory bodies are likely to enact more comprehensive regulations to ensure consumers protections and financial stability in crypto market. The next is the investment. More institutional investors like hedge funds and traditional banks are likely to enter the crypto space, further legitimizing it. Interoperability efforts to improve interoperability between different blockchains becomes a priority, making cross-chain transactions more accessible. Energy efficient cryptocurrency, there will be push for more environmentally friendly cryptocurrencies as concern over energy consumption grow. The next point is cryptocurrency wallets. Wallets will continue to evolve, becoming more user-friendly and secure, making it easier for non-technical users to manage their assets. Cross-border payments. Cryptocurrency will play a more significant role in cross-border cross-border. And next is layer 2 solutions. Layer 2 solutions like the Lightning Network for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Layer 2 scaling solutions will improve transaction speed and cost effectiveness. The next one is privacy coins. Privacy focused cryptocurrencies will gain more attention as individuals seek enhanced financial privacy. Stablecoins which are pegged to fiat currency will continue to be used for trading and as a bridge between the crypto and traditional financial system. Crypto in emerging markets. Cryptocurrencies can offer financial inclusion to people in emerging economics who lack access to traditional banks. Smart contracts. The use of smart contracts, self-executing agreements with the terms of contract directly written into code will increase in various sectors, including legal, real estate, and supply chain management. Security and custody solutions with increasing institutional involvement. Demand for robust security and custody solutions for digital assets will grow. Quantum computing threats. The rise of quantum computing poses a potential threats to existing cryptographic methods, driving the development of quantum resistant cryptocurrencies. The next is education.